Where we discuss our Nifty strategy for the coming week started from 25th of August 2025, and this is the weekly chart of the Nifty you can see here. So what is telling the weekly chart, this is a shooting star, okay, but need a confirmation, always need a confirmation to take the trade. In weekly chart, we saw in last previous week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive weeks was a bearish candle formation, and this was a bullish engulfing curve, and then gap up, and again make a shooting star. Okay, so need a confirmation. If price close next week below Friday low, that is 24,840 to 52, then this gap going to fill up, and again we can see below 25 to 4,348 mark. Okay, so we if price close above this yes last week high, that is 25,153, then probability we can see 25,700 mark again on the upside. Okay, this is as per if you see the MACD is now negative diversion. Okay, now come to the daily chart. If you see the daily chart, so this is the daily chart, and daily turned negative on Friday. So this is a bearish candle, and it's look like it's a perfectly evening star pattern. This is called evening star pattern, but always need a confirmation. It will active only if Friday low close on Monday, then it will active as a evening star pattern. Then target of this evening star pattern will be, this is the height, okay, and this is a neckline, and target is coming around range 24,620 to 25,600 approx. Okay, for evening star pattern it will activate only if close below Friday low. Okay, that is below, if Monday Nifty close below 24,859, then we are going to see 24,600 approx. This will active only 24,859 if Monday close below this level, otherwise not. Okay, now on Monday if see a gap opening, why it can be a gap opening, because we'll come to later on when we see the chart about 15 minutes or hourly chart, then we will discuss why it can be a gap. Okay, now as per Elliott wave count, we have marked this is the first wave, this is the fifth of one, and fifth of two is going on. Okay, maybe fifth of two completed here, then this is the third of one, and third of two is going on. So we have too much options here as per Elliott wave count, so we have to take trade as per options. So first option is that we have done one, two done, and this is a third of one, and third of two is coming. The third of two can also come near 24,500 to 600 around. Okay, if this is a first second done, then third of one, third of two can come down. If it is a two of A, then two of B completed, and we are in now two of C. Then two of C will go down below this wave A level, that is 24,337, and it can reach towards 24,100 or 200 levels, 170 to 23,850. Okay, so this can be also possible if price break here. Okay, now come to the hourly chart. So this can be the possibility probability. Now why it can go bounce, because this is the, I given you this on WhatsApp on Friday. So we have assumed that we have completed this fifth of two, and fifth of third is running. Between that, third of one is completed, and A, B, C also completed. If that, then price should bounce, and if it is a part of two wave, then bounce should be limited. That is should not cross 25,050 or 40 levels. So there will resistance on Nifty is 25,040 to 50 on the upside to make it at X wave. So after we can see a bounce, and again we can see a decline later on. Okay, so this can is again probability. In case if there is a gap down opening, so gap down opening uh, can be 24,800 till, and then again we can see upside because Nifty is now near to oversold zone. We have to see also oversold zone range. Okay, so now uh, we have too much options, so it can be too much confusion also. So we have to keep Nifty level only. On the basis of that we have to trade. Okay, now Nifty level, this is the support area we have done on Friday, so they will bounce on upside because we have done A, B, C as per lead wave count, and this is also a 38% level from the low. From here to this retracement is 38% as per FIBO retracement level. So it can be also a zigzag correction. Okay, it can be A, B, and again C also. Okay, so it's 38% taking the support, then price shoot up. Okay, and now how much price can go up? 61%, 61.8% from the high and this level. Okay, so it's coming around 25,040. Okay, so above only 25,050 hourly candle closing. If close above and sustain above, then we are heading upside to touch again this level, that is 25,000. The high was marked on 25,153. Then again we are going to see 25,200 plus on the upside if only conditions that price should break. Our our closing, our hourly candle closing should be above 25,050, then only we can see 25,200 plus on the upside. Okay, if price move upside, gap up, then there's a high chance of probability, then it can so will correct and fall again towards 24,730. That is the GAN level on Nifty. Okay, so ultimate target, what is the trading strategy? If price if go up, we have to wait and watch, and we have to see some rejection candle or supply or some bearish candle should form in 15 minutes chart, then we will take put call or short position in the Nifty, otherwise not. Okay, so if anyone holding the short position, you have to keep the stop loss in Nifty spot level 25,070 on the upside. Okay, and if break again 24,950, then we can go re-enter the short, and target will be 24,730 on the downside, and it can extend up to 24,600 level on the downside. Okay, it can further extend if break this level. Clear? So what level we can go super bullish? The super bullish will be only above the high of 25,200 level. If Nifty close above 25,200 level, then it will be super bullish. Then we can see Nifty till 25,700 mark on the upside. Clear? So bullish formation will be up only above 25,200. Target will be 25,700 to 26,100 level on the upside. Okay, so I have discussed today all the bearish and bullish point of Nifty for the coming days. This is the update for the Nifty. Best of luck.